Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare egg and potato bhujia. Ingredients that are required to prepare this are I have taken 3 potatoes, 3 medium sized potatoes, and I have cured them. I have taken 2 eggs, fresh coriander leaves. Here I have chopped 1 big onion, sliced it, and 2 big green chillies, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. I'll be using oil, and you can also add little tomatoes. So now let's get started. The very first step that we are going to do, we are going to add the salt, little salt, red chili powder and the turmeric powder to the potatoes, and we are going to mix it nicely. After mixing this, we are going to beat this egg also, and at the same time we are going to heat little oil for cooking. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, and it's already heated. So what I'll do, I'll add these potatoes. And I'll fry them until they are cooked and becomes little golden. Now since our potatoes are almost cooked, as you can see, easily a spoon is going inside, and it's becoming slightly golden, I'm going to add the onion and the green chili. Now I will fry it together with the onion and the green chili, so that the flavor of the onion and the taste of the chili combines with the potatoes. I'll fry till the onions become slightly golden in color. Along with the potatoes should also turn little golden in color. Now our onions are also fried, our potatoes are also fried. We'll put them aside like this. And here I have beaten 2 eggs, and I have kept it. I'm going to put them little by little. I've added the egg. And wait till I can scramble this. I've increased the flame. Now I will mix it with the We'll add the coriander leaves. When you're adding tomato to your recipe, add the tomatoes when your potatoes are little fried, so that the juice of the tomato goes into the fried potatoes. So I will saute this for a minute. Here is our egg and potato bhujia ready. The potatoes are cooked well, it's mixed with egg well. So now we'll put up the flame and we'll transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our delicious egg and potato bhujia ready. Very simple to prepare, very tasty, and you can have it with bread, rice, roti. I have garnished it with some fresh coriander leaves. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipes. See you soon. Bye.